video is a short summary, so it's only a few minutes long, and this is from our Improvers course that was taught in June 2020. So this was the second of our online courses for 4 weeks. So it's Improvers course number 2. Okay, and we were looking in this course for level 3 and level 4 improvers. That's roughly where we pitched it. We were looking at adding in a little bit more body movement and a bit more flavour and style. So this routine was taught on Thursday the 11th of June 2020. I'm going to turn around and make a start. Improvers Solo routine number 5. Here we go. Basic. 1, 2, 3, and at the end of the basic we crossed our right foot behind. 5, 6, 7. I unturn and unwind 1, 2, 3, leaving the right foot in front. I'm going to tap out to the side. 5, 6, and on 7, left foot. Okay. Now I'm going to do a little New Yorker step with my right foot. 1, 2, 3, and then some Cuban tap walk-arounds. 5, 6, 7, 8. I did a crossbody to open the position. 1, 2, 3, 90 degrees. Right side lunge preparation for a double left turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so a double left spin. It's not a turn because I'm actually spinning. There was an option to just do a single spin or do it as a walking round turn. Okay, I'll leave that up to you. Let's do that whole thing again. Mambo. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Or 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Crossbody opening the position. 1, 2, 3, and prep. 6, 7, 8, and. Now, in this course, Improvers Course 2 and onwards, I created the first section of the routine, and then I asked students to give me a little footwork step, each of their own. So as they were participating in the class, they all volunteered a step for each of the next bars. So the next few steps were volunteered by the students, and I'm just going to add those in and you can see what they look like. So we did a little New York flair going forwards. 1, and 3, and 5, and 7. We did an LA shuffle to the corner. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We then had a little tap tap step. 1 and 3 and a little Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. And we did an around the world. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now with the around the world you could put a little flair at the end. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. It's entirely up to you. Let's just do the student section again. So we did New York flair. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7. LA shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap, tap, Susie Q, around the world. 5, 6 and 7. Let me put both sections together. So the first section mine and that second section from the students. Okay, so basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and prep. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 3, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. I'll let you decide what flavour and what styling, but just to note, we were trying to put in things that were a little bit faster, boom and boom, and then trying to chill out on the way around, maybe on those little Cuban taps. So again, when I opened on here, on the New Yorker, boom, 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 was fast, and then I was just going to be cool and walk around. Light and shade, fast, slow. Okay, I leave you with that to practice. I'll see you in the next video.